Hey guys, welcome back to another Architect React, and in this video we're going to be reacting to the movie Inception. So Inception is a science fiction thriller which pretty much centers around the main character Cobb, played by Leonardo DiCaprio. And this person is pretty much a skilled thief that can extract information from people's dreams. And the whole idea behind it is that Cobb will be absolved of all of his past, pretty much be pardoned for whatever crime he has committed, just if he can realize implanting an idea into someone else's mind, the idea that the other person wants. And that concept is called Inception. To achieve this challenging task, Cobb assembles a team of skilled architects with unique abilities. And the plot gets further complicated with the effect of time dilation. So pretty much you can have dreams within dreams, which allows a person to blur the lines between what is real and what is reality. So this movie is a great concept of blending reality, exploring memory, subconscious mind, and visually a stunning architectural exploration. You have lots of landscape that are pretty much make-believe. And just to bring this point further home, let's go ahead and take a look at a scene together. All right, guys, so the scene that we're currently looking at is a practice run with the architect, the girl in the red jacket. And Leonardo DiCaprio is the person who's the subject. He's the person whose dream she's inside of. So he's currently inside the memory of what he's already imagined. So he's giving her a dream to manipulate by her own accord. And she's an up-and-coming aspiring architect. So she can do whatever to this world, but the only thing is, the only caveat, the more she changes the dream, the more the subconscious of the person who's inside will detect that there's a foreign entity that's changing the dream. Here's a great concept right here. Blending or changing the horizon line is something that we learn in perspective, but we never think about. It's something that you can find in the Eye Institute run by Delugan Meissl, that changing a visual perspective can change reality. Now, another design principle that's being explored the moment she slams this building right on top of each other is the concept of symmetry. There's a lack of gravity because it's a dream. So everything still functions the way it should function. Notice how things line up. And another thing you can see is the making of this movie. This scene took a lot of inspiration, a lot of creativity to actually aspire to this scene. Now, another thing you can see is all the people that are moving around is still reality. Change in perspective, lack of gravity gives you different planes that you can walk on. So you're seeing these interesting phenomena. You can also see how quickly she manipulates ideas, comes up with ideas. And that's the subconscious looking at her.
My subconscious feels that
So the subconscious of Leonardo DiCaprio, the main character Cobb, is rejecting her because the fact that she changed the entire world that they're in. Another manipulation, she built a bridge out of a road or no longer a crossing.
This is great, but I'm telling you, if you keep changing things like this.
So if you can imagine it, it can be created. And again, the subconscious is rebelling.
Mind telling your subconscious to take it easy?
It's my subconscious. Remember, I can't control it.
Another interesting phenomenon is about to happen. So the use of mirror, the use of symmetry, the use of perception, the use of or manipulation of perspective is what's allowing these very, very powerful visuals to take place. So something that she's doing is she's taking something that is pretty much 4 set of columns, repetition in one direction, change in proportions and ratio allows you to have a longer perspective. And what you have is a never-ending hallway. She simply touches the glass and it becomes the hallway. That's powerful. So one of another things that's about this movie that's very complex is the more she creates something out of an existing landscape, the more the person or the the actual user gets lost into its reality.
I know this.
So it's pretty much blending reality and
This place
dreams.
is real, isn't it?
Yeah, I cross it every day to get to the college.
So she created something
Never
from a
recreate
real
places
world.
From your memory. Always imagine new places.
You gotta draw from stuff you know, right?
Only use details. A street lamp or a phone booth. Never entire areas.
Why not?
Because building a dream from your memory is the easiest way to lose your grasp on what's real and what is a dream.
So what happened to you?
So notice how now the subconscious is going to react to it
Dreams?
and is going to reject the person almost like a foreign body or a parasite or blood cells attacking. Wow, that was crazy. So, exciting world. Again, enjoy the movie, enjoy your holidays, and build up your creativity for the next semester. Until next time. Follow for more content.